has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Fairfield County, Central New Haven County, until 4 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Naugatuck, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Prospect and Beacon Falls around 3:15 p.m. Monroe around 3:20 p.m. Woodbridge and Bethany around 3:35 p.m. Seymour and Derby around 3:40 p.m. New Haven around 3:55 p.m. Milford and Shelton around 4 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. The rest of today, partly sunny with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds, small hail, and heavy rainfall. Near steady temperature in the mid-80s. North winds around 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%.